Today's featured car of the day is a 1932 Ford Highboy with a blown Chrysler 392 Hemi in it, and looks to be a Halabrand or some other type of quick change rear end on it, with these giant rear tires, which I'm sure it has no trouble spinning with a supercharged Hemi in it. And it's painted in a pastel color from the 50s, it looks like. Pastel green blue color, and has a blower drive service supercharger on it, and a trick front end on it with some neat pieces. And this one wasn't chopped, which a lot of them are. And I filmed this one at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was definitely different. Don't see too many of them with a blown Hemi engine in them. And being as light as it is, I'm sure the thing flies. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1932 Ford Highboy with a blown Chrysler 392 Hemi engine and some giant rear tires on the back and a quick change rear end in it. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.